students, and we are going to do a question based on electric field. And see, in this question, electric field, concepts of electric field as well as mechanics concept has been combined, clubbed, okay? And that is why, so this question is basically is testing your knowledge or ability to club two concepts and whether you are able to do the question. Okay, let me read the question first and then we'll do this. Okay, there is a uniform electric field of strength 10 to the power 3 volt per meter along y axis. Okay, a body of mass 1 gram and charge 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb is projected into the field. Okay, from origin along the positive x axis. Okay, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन क्या है? पॉजिटिव y एक्सिस की डायरेक्शन में, y एक्सिस के डायरेक्शन में, और आपका जो चार्ज पार्टिकल है वो किधर प्रोजेक्ट हो रहा है? प्लस पॉजिटिव y एक्सिस की डायरेक्शन में. ठीक है. नाउ, और किस वेलोसिटी से प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हो? 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड. सो जस्ट नोट दिस पॉइंट. एट beginning at t equal to 0 time, what is the velocity? Only 10 I cap. 10 I cap. What does this mean? There is no velocity in y axis direction, y direction, and you have to assume there is no gravitation. Okay, and you have to find out speed. See, speed in meter per second. What do you mean by speed? Speed is magnitude of the velocity, right? Whenever you have to find speed, you have to find magnitude of the velocity, right? Okay, now, so tell me one thing. If this was normal projectile, there would have been gravity acting downwards. ठीक है, and then you would have applied those equations, v equal to u plus at, because acceleration is constant. But here there is no g, there is no gravity, right? If gravity isn't there, but that does not mean there is no acceleration. Acceleration है यहाँ पे, और वो कौन दे रहा है? Electric field. So in a positive, if positive charge is moving in an electric field, then there is going to be a electric force, and due to that electric force there is going to be acceleration. So वो acceleration क्या होगा? By the way, since this electric field is constant electric field, that means uniform electric field, right? So what would be force? QE upon, so QE is the force and acceleration is A, and if you divide QE to its mass of the charge, you will get, क्या मिलेगा आपको? Acceleration. कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं. Q कितना है? 10 to the power minus 6 into electric field. Electric field is 10 to the power 3. Mass is 1 gram. ठीक है, mass is 1 gram. इसको kg में बदल लो, 10 to the power minus 3. ठीक है. एक्सीलरेशन कितना आ गया? 10 to the power minus 3 न्यूमरेटर में चला जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा 10 to the power minus 6 into 10 to the power plus 6. ठीक है, दिस इज 1. 10 to the power 0 आ जाएगा, 10 to this is 1 meter per second square. Now since acceleration is constant, can you apply this equation? V equal to u plus a into t. All right, initial velocity. But tell me one thing, this acceleration is in which direction? Y direction. This is going to be ay. All right, what is acceleration in x direction? There is no acceleration in x direction, therefore there would not be any change in velocity in the horizontal component of the velocity. ठीक है, x component of the velocity change नहीं होगा क्योंकि there is no acceleration. Acceleration क्या करता है? It increases the velocity, and deceleration it decreases the velocity, right? So ay है तो केवल vy change होगा. तो vy और वर्टिकल डायरेक्शन में इनिशियल वेलोसिटी क्या है? मैंने बताया था, इनिशियल वेलोसिटी इज ओनली x डायरेक्शन में है केवल. तो 0 प्लस एक्सीलरेशन कितना है? 1 इंटू टाइम. कितने सेकंड बाद पूछा है? 10 सेकंड बाद. ठीक है, 10 सेकेंड कितना आ गया? 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड. और 10 सेकेंड बाद Vx क्या होगा? सेम जो ओरिजिनल x डायरेक्शन में वेलोसिटी थी, 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड. ठीक है, सो मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ द वेलोसिटी जो आपको फाइंड आउट करना है, स्पीड कितना हो जाएगा, अंडर रूट वी एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वी वाई स्क्वायर, ठीक है। इसकी वैल्यू कितनी आ गई, 10 स्क्वायर प्लस 10 स्क्वायर, हाउ मच यू गॉट, 10 रूट 2, ठीक है। कौन सा ऑप्शन सही हो गया, सी वाला, ठीक है। Thank you so much for watching the video. Do subscribe to the channel, share the video and keep learning. Thank you.